It is so incredibly normal to be anxious while you're pregnant. We live in a society of endless information at our fingertips that is oftentimes horribly inaccurate. And so it's normal to be anxious when you're pregnant and not know if you're doing the right thing. You want this to be perfect. You want your baby to be perfect. You want your pregnancy to be perfect. Women are often worried about doing the wrong thing in pregnancy. And I always tell women, common sense goes a long way. We are well informed in our society about what a good, healthy diet is, what a normal exercise routine is, and taking care of yourself, getting a good diet, eating well, exercising, getting good sleep is the best thing that women can do to help ease those concerns. If you're worried that what you're doing is going to harm the baby, then take a step back and think about it. Women oftentimes have lots of anxiety about the process of giving birth, and that is completely normal because it's something they've never had to do it before. And I think when we look at that anxiety, we have to step back and say, where is this anxiety coming from? Is this anxiety coming from a history of assault? Labor and delivery can often be a trigger for that. Being proactive about therapy and counseling is going to be huge for this woman to have a healing event in the delivery process. If a woman is having anxiety about the labor and delivery process because it is an unknown or because she's only heard horror stories about the process, then we need to address that individually. There's amazing good podcasts now about empowering birth stories. There is wonderful meditations and various programs that give empowering birth stories or mantras women can say to help get them prepared mentally for the labor and delivery process. Because really, when we look at this, the delivery process is 90% mental and 10% physical. If a woman is having a concern about increased anxiety about how their life is going to change after delivery, then that anxiety is completely valid because your life has the potential to get turned upside down in ways that you never anticipated. And I really emphasize the benefits of talk therapy with these patients. If you are experiencing any anxiety, depression, any form of mental illness that is concerning to you, that is impacting your daily life and those around you, then I strongly urge you to reach out to your provider. All the Women's Health CT providers are great resources and also have access to a wonderful therapeutic service network within our system. And there is help out there, and you do not need to be suffering alone.